I think nangyayari na yung gusto namin. Konyo Bicolano is not just a content creator that would provide you kaugmahan. Konyo Bicolano is here to showcase what the Iteños, what Camarines Norte has to offer, not only in the Philippines, but in the world, because we believe we are world-class. Ayan. And speaking of world-class, speaking of our local exhibitors, this coming week, abangan ninyo yung pinakauna naming content outside DGC. Lumabas kami ng DGC. We went out, pumunta kami sa LV, sa Legit Vincent's to really namin the super serum ang angko. And we went like super burat talaga and tasted the Barrex pare. Like super legit, naguguruhin talaga sa daghan.